Welcome to Ceiven Academy. We are still on LinkedIn. Today, I want to teach you how you can actually post an article on LinkedIn. You've started up your LinkedIn. Now, I want to learn how you can post so that somebody can get in touch, connect with you, read your article, like, share, and all that. So, how do you go about it? How do you post that fine article on LinkedIn? So, the moment you get here, you see the first one is new post. Do you want to post? You can start a post. Let me differentiate between post and article. Post is just like the way you post on Facebook, post on WhatsApp, post on, just short messages. You post it there and people will comment, like, and all that. But if you really want to showcase yourself, you want to show your product, then the best thing is to write an article. So how do you write an article? Email after post, you come there, you see where they write photos, videos, event, then write an article. So what do? Click on write an article. It's as simple as that. And what is the article headline? Now, under writing an article, you have two options. One, if you already have a post, maybe you have a website or you have where you've jotted down most of your articles, maybe you send articles to other post social media like Instagram, Facebook, Quora, and the rest of them. You can simply go there, copy your post, and post it here. Or if you have the time, you can actually write fresh post and put it here. Okay. So any way you do it, you make the choice. Okay. So without wasting time, I want to go to my website because I have a lot of posts on my website. I will choose one of them and post it. Okay. So let me think of the one I will choose. I just want to choose just to show you something now. So let's just post one. This one is about making money online. This one is about turn around. Okay. Let me post this. Let me post this. So I'll scroll down, take my post, and then post it. Okay. Copy this post. Let me come over to my LinkedIn. Post. Then this the heading. So take the heading to the heading side. Everything will look classic. So cut your heading. Cut. Bring it to heading. Post. Actually reduce the size here. You can come over here, heading 1, heading 2, anything you like. You can make it bold, you can italicize it, you can underline it. So just like normal racing. So your publishing menu too, you can do a lot of things here. Your draft, your article, share draft, and all that. Okay. Then this is where you publish. This is where you save your work. Are you getting this way? If you want to link up with your URL, maybe there's other link you want them to go to a external website, you want to market your blog here, this is where you click on that link and you link it up. If you don't know how to add link, don't worry, I'll show you an example right now. So you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, Ceiven.com. You need to put in my web now. Let me remove this for now. Scroll down. What distinguishes Ethereum from Ethereum Classic? You're working. You continue your post. If you want to read it up, you read. But I don't want to read because I know what is there already. I just want to send it, boom, and then move on ahead. Okay. Now let me show you how you can put a link. If you don't know how to, I know many people know, but in case you don't, it's as simple as this. Let's say I want to link this Bitcoin BTC. I'll just select it. If I select it, then you come over here, click on the link. Then you put the link here. Maybe I'll just put my address www. If you have your BTC website, you put it, or you go to BTC, copy it and put it. Or if you want to your page, go to your page, click on copy your page address and paste it there. Okay. So for example, let's say I want to paste here. I just come over here. This is what I wrote on thumbnail. So you click on it, copy it. So what I'm doing. Then after copying, I'll come back to my LinkedIn, come over here, come over here, boom, I'll paste it. And then do what? Apply. Are you seeing it? It has applied. So if somebody click on this, it will take them to that website. So hope I'm making sense. Hope you are learning it. Okay. Hope you are learning. I want you to get it. So you just scroll there and check all you've done, see it's okay. And once it's okay, what do? You click on publish. But before publish, let's give it an image that will look classic. If you have an image already, you give it. If you don't have an image already, go to Canva. You can actually create a beautiful image on Canva. If you don't have to create image on Canva, don't worry. I'm going to teach you that. You can check my YouTube channel, scroll down, see where I taught about Canva. I'm still going to get a detailed, in-depth study on Canva. You can use Canva for designing, for graphic designing. For I will be putting Canva along with Fiverr. How you can design something on Fiverr and sell it or sell the skill on Fiverr, or design something on Canva and sell the skill on Fiverr and make money. Don't worry. Like my channel, subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification button so that you can keep on getting things like this from me from time to time. Okay, and thank you for doing that. That's if you are seeing value from me. So let me give in this image. You can actually increase the image or reduce the image any way you want to do. There's no big deal about that. So click on publish. It will now tell you to use hashtag. I don't like this image I'm using. I don't like this image I'm using. Let me go back. I want to change this image. Okay, I want to change this image to something else. Anyway, no problem. It's just a way to teach you first. So let's click on publish. But it tell you to choose a hashtag. That hashtag will help you a lot. You come over here. Oh, we didn't choose a hashtag because I'm trying to. Okay, sorry. Okay, well, this is the post. You can actually edit this post. You can edit your article. Let me go to edit because I didn't like the one I put there. You can edit your article, but what I want to remove is this. Yes, I want something different. Sorry for that, but that was for my HTML lesson, so it's not for this. Like, let me use this. I think this is okay. NFT. Or better, let me use the classic. After all, I have it, so why use this? Sorry. So you can choose any one you like. You go to image, but make sure that the image you are choosing relates to what you are writing about. That's why I'm removing those ones I choose here first. Okay. There should be some relationship. You can't be talking about something different and you are posting a different image. No, there should be some relationship. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, Ethereum versus Ethereum Classic. That's what I'm talking about. See it now. Ethereum versus Ethereum Classic. Ethereum versus Bitcoin Classic. So as you are working for as you are going on, you can be still be adding images if you want to, or put, so that way it makes sense. People will see it and say, yes, you know what you're talking about. Okay. So I will republish this again because I didn't like that first one I put there. I'll republish it again. So choose an image. Yes. Once you've done that, you click publish. Then I want to update. Click on update. Okay. So you can share your article on Twitter, on anywhere, other blog, if you want to. Okay. But if you don't want to, this have been published. So do you get it? This is exactly how you can publish an article on LinkedIn. Okay. So remember, as you are connecting with people, people like to connect with you. When they come, they should be able to see something to read. Able to read, comment, like, and share. Okay. But sorry, I didn't show you how you can put a tag. So that's why we'll go back. I'll show you another one. We'll write another article again so I can show you how you can actually put a tag. You can tag your articles and make sure that it goes viral. Okay. Because I believe in making your article go viral so I can see something good from. So let's post one article more. Let's post one more article so that way you can be able to get all the gist. Okay. So as usual, you come over here, write an article. If you want to write a video, if you want to post a video, if it's a picture, anything you want, if it's an event, but now we are talking about articles. Anyone you can do, choose any one of these and use. Okay. So let's go back to write an article. I actually have some article on my Quora. I have article on my website. So I'll just choose any of them and post now. That is another article. Now let me go to my blog, ceiven.com, ceiven.com/news. That's my blog. In case you want, you can go out there and see articles. But don't just copy article and paste. There's what we call plagiarism. If you are plagiarized and you are caught, it causes a lot of problem. Google will not rank you, and many things, many of the search engine will not rank you. So better have your own work. Or if you actually copy an article, go to paraphrasing tools, use it to make it beautiful for you. Okay. Mhm. So let me post this on programming. This is one I did on programming. Programming and coding, is it a good job for you? Or important question about programming. So important question about programming. Let's use that. So you can post as many articles as you can. Remember, the more article you post, the more engagement you have, the more email you have, and once you have more email, what do you do with the email? You can use your email lead. You can get all these email, export them to CSV, use the CSV and send customized messages to them, advertising yourself. So these are the advantages of LinkedIn and posting articles. If you have not gone to class, or if you've not learned my how to get emails from LinkedIn, check a lesson. I have there's a tutorial on it already. Check on it, click on it, use it, and see how you can do that. Okay. Yeah, this is the article. Coding job, is it good for you? So I'll just scroll it, copy it, go there and paste. Okay. It's as simple as that. Copy, go and paste. It's as simple as that. Okay. Copy it, sharp, sharp. Copy it, copy it, again, paste it, bam. And you start. So this way you can actually link up with your blogs. As you're pasting the article, you link them up with your blog. So that way some of them can from there, when they click, they will go to your blog. Are you getting the sense of it? I'll show you how you can do that right away. Okay. So this is the article. We'll scroll down. Make sure you have the title. Coding. Is it a good job for you? Cut it. Come over to your headline for you. Then you come over here, select the same thing I did before. So choose a page. Come over, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. I have a page I want to advertise. So, so press it there, and you scroll down as well to check your write-up. Everything is okay. Bam, you send it. Then let me show you. You see it. If you check here, I say click here for more on this topic. Now, when somebody click on this link, it will take them to my own post immediately. Then there's another one again, previous post, programming, coding FAQ. Next post, important question answered about programming and code. So when somebody click on any of these, take them straight to my blog. What are you doing? You are actually linking people to your blog. And if you are going to use your blog, you know that is where Google will rank you and can have Google AdSense on it. Okay. So these are things that you do. From LinkedIn, you link people to your blog. From Facebook, from social media, link people to your blog. Okay. So you've learned this and you know how to put this right. I've shown you how you can collect from your link, uh, bring out your link, put the link, the URL link, and then put it back. So when people click it, take them straight. If you don't know it, go back to the first page I will write before this. So let's go to publish. Let's go to publish. Yes. Choose who can comment. No, want to see how we can put hashtag on it. You can actually put a hashtag on it. And if you are putting a hashtag, should not be too many hashtag. Few hashtag is okay. I will bring in just choose few hashtag and always use hash hash coding, hash coding, hash coding projects. Are you seeing? Are you watching something? You can scroll down and see the one they are suggesting. If it's making sense, if it's not making sense, you choose the one you like. Okay. In fact, they have a lot for you on it. Coding jobs. Let's continue. Hash coding salary. Don't overdo it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at most 10 is okay. So once you're through with that, you post. Boom. Okay. Coding practice. So you can choose more and do what? Publish. So thank you once again for listening. I believe I've shown you how you can actually do this. And this is how you can write an article on LinkedIn. See you in my next class. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.